Experiencing Ethernet connection problems with your Dell docking station? This section provides a quick fix guide. First, ensure your Ethernet cable, Cat5e or higher, is securely connected to both the dock and your network. Check for physical damage to the cable and RJ45 port. A faulty cable is a common culprit. Next, confirm the USB-C connection to your laptop is stable and provides sufficient power, 60 watt plus. Insufficient power can disable Ethernet functionality. Power cycle the dock by disconnecting it from power for 30 seconds and then reconnecting. If the issue persists, move on to driver checks. If basic checks fail, driver conflicts are likely the cause. Open Device Manager and look for Code 10 errors under Network Adapters or USB devices related to the dock. Update or reinstall the dock's Ethernet driver from Dell's support website, ensuring it matches your laptop's OS. Use Dell Command Update for easy driver and firmware updates. Run the Windows Network Troubleshooter or Dell Support Assist for automated fixes. Try disabling USB Selective Suspend in Windows Power Options, as this can sometimes interfere with Ethernet detection. As a last resort, reset the BIOS. For persistent problems, Dell's Dock Reset utility can resolve most issues. Consider contacting Dell support for potential hardware faults.